Now, we're going to take up one more problem. It's on the similar lines. But a point capital A is 30 mm in front of VP and 40 mm above HP. And another point capital B is 20 mm behind VP and 35 mm below HP. The horizontal distance between the points parallel to XY line is 60 mm. Draw the three projections of the points, join their front and top views. So here, first we're going to draw the XY line. So he says point A is 30 mm in front of VP. In front of VP will come always below XY line. From XY line, you measure 30 mm below XY line and mark the point here. And since it is in front of VP, so obviously the image will going to fall on HP. Since the image is on HP, so obviously that point is top view, so small a. And 40 mm above HP always comes above XY line. So from here you draw a vertical projector to the above XY line and you measure the distance of 40 mm, and from here you mark this point. Since it is above HP, so always the image will going to fall on VP. Since the image is on VP, so obviously that point is the front view. So you're going to mark this as A dash. The horizontal distance between the projectors parallel to XY line is 60 mm. From this vertical line, you measure 60 mm and draw one more vertical line. And then the another point capital B is 20 mm behind VP. Behind VP is always above XY line. From XY line, you measure 20 mm and you mark that point. Since it is with respect to VP, so image will be on HP. So obviously that point will be top view. And 35 mm below HP. So below HP will always comes below XY line. From this point, you measure 35 mm and you mark this point. Since the distance with respect to HP is seen in VP, so since the image is in VP, so it will be B dash. Draw the three projections. Join the front and top views. So you join between A dash and B dash and join between A and B. Draw the three projections of the points. So since first we're going to take the point A. You take any convenient distance from the last projector, which is B, and draw a vertical line and you mark this point as X1, Y1. Now the top view of A is below XY line, so you draw 45 degree adjacent to that point A. Then project the top view point A onto that 45 degree line, and where you have the front view, and you project the horizontal projector from A dash to the side view, and then you project the point from 45 degree line vertically upwards, and both will going to intersect at this point, and you mark this point as A double dash. Similarly, now the top view of the point B is above XY line, so draw a 45 degree line adjacent to the top view point. So you draw a 45 degree line here and draw a horizontal projector from the top view point B, and similarly draw a horizontal projector from B dash to the profile view and draw a vertical projector from the 45 degree line. Both these two projectors will going to intersect at this point, and you mark this point as B double dash. So this is how we will be able to solve this problem, the conceptual. And now we are going to solve this problem by using CAD software. So first we will go to the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. So go to a command called limits. So 297, 210, upper right corner. So zoom all, then go to line, select some arbitrary point and click on first button of the mouse and drag the mouse towards the right side. Take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. Again, you take the cursor to the top side, take some distance and click on first button on the mouse and go to offset. Take the distance as 297. Select object to offset. Select this vertical line and offset to the left side. Then go to offset. Take the distance as 210. Select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom, extends and zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet between this vertical and this horizontal, and similarly between this horizontal and this vertical, and between this vertical line and this horizontal line. Then go to zoom window. Now here go to the text. So specify start point and take some point and take the height as 4, then the rotation angle of text as 0, and type the problem number 38. So you take problem number 38. So now a point capital A is 30 mm in front of VP. A point capital A is 30 mm in front of VP and 40 mm above HP. Another point capital B, another point capital B is 20 mm behind VP and 35 mm below HP and 35 mm below HP. The horizontal distance between the points, the horizontal distance between the points parallel to XY line is 60 mm. Parallel to XY line is 60 mm. Draw the three projections of the point. Draw the three projections of the points. Join their front and top views. Join their front and top views. So now we go for the solution. So first we will go to three views. So first we are going to create the layers now. So go to layer, click on new, type the layer by name XY, click on new, type the layer by name front view, click on new, type the layer by name top view, and click on new, type the layer by name side view. So here line weight is 0.05, okay, XY line is 0.13, and say okay. Then go to front view, go to magenta, okay. Then the top view you are going to keep red, and then go to side view, type it as blue color. Now we'll go close this, then go to line, select some arbitrary point and take the cursor and take some distance and click on the first button of the mouse, and again you take one horizontal and draw a vertical line here. So point A is 30 mm in front of VP, so offset you take 30 mm in front of VP, which will be below XY line, and offset 40 mm above HP, so you take 40 mm and take above XY line. So then go to trim or fillet between this line, and similarly between these two lines. So we have this. So then another point, so take the distance, horizontal distance is 60, so you take 60 mm from here. Then go to offset, take 20 mm behind VP, so you take 20 mm. So from here, then go to fillet between this and this, fillet between this line and this line. Then 35 mm below HP, so offset, take 35 mm, so you take this, then go to fillet between this and this. Now we are going to draw the XY line, X1, Y1 line at some convenient distance. So now we have the top view point which is comes below XY line. So now this is the line, take INT of this, then at the rate I will take 100 less than minus 45 because clockwise. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. So we are going to get this point. Then go to fillet between this and fillet between these two. Similarly line, take INT of this and say at the rate 100 less than 45. Then go to line, take INT of this and take perpendicular to this. So you're going to get this point. So fillet between this line and this line. So again between these two lines you're going to get this. So now then go to break this line. Similarly you break this line till here. Then you break this, and similarly you break this, so you break this line. Now we have the solution. Then go to donut, so go to 0 and take height as 3. So you take intersection point of this, and you take INT of this, and you take INT of this. So this is the point A, and now we will go for the point B, INT of this, INT of this, and INT of this. Now we are going to write the text. So go to the text, so you specify height as 3 and go to text, type X, caps lock on, XY, and you mark this as X1, and you mark this as y1. Then here you mark this as small a and this as a dash and this as a double dash. Then similarly you mark this as b and this as b dash and this as b double dash. Then go to zoom window, then move, switch off the ortho mode so you can break this still inside. So go to move, select this a, then b dash, then b, then a dash, then b dash, then y1, then b double dash, then a dash, a double dash, then you're going to get x1 and then y. Now we'll go for DDIM. So change the dimensioning variables. So here make it as 0, then go to text, take it as 3, align with the dimension line centered above. So you make this as 2, then symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3, then go to lines, take offset from the origin as 2 and say OK and say close. Now we are going to change the layers. You just click on this and click on this, go to CH, go to layer, make this layer as XY layer. So the line weight, we're going to change it to 0.05. So here you take B, so this will going to be the top view. So go to CH, go to layer, make this as top view now. Similarly, you click on the A dash and you click on B dash. So you make this as layer which has front view. Then you click on A double dash and also B double dash and go to CH, go to layer, make this as side view. Then we need to do the dimensioning. So dim, take center of this and INT of this. So we're going to get the 30 mm. Again you take center of this and you take intersection point of this. So you're going to get 40. Then go to nearest on this and take perpendicular to this. So you're going to get 60. Then go to center of this and take INT of this. So you're going to get 20. Then go to center of this, take INT of this, and you're going to get this distance as 35. Then go to angular between these two. So you're going to get 45 degree. And similarly angular, select angular between these two. So you're going to get it as 45 degree. Then go to leader. So now we will come out of this. So go to leader, go to nearest, put on the ortho mode. So go to annotation, option, none. Similarly leader, nearest, then go to annotation, option, none. Similarly leader, nearest on this. So annotation, option, none. Similarly leader, so go to nearest, annotation, options, none. Then go to leader, nearest on this, annotation, option, none. Then go to leader, nearest on this, annotation, option, none. Then go to explode, select this line, and you select this line, and this line, and this line. Then erase these two lines. Similarly you erase this line, erase this line, erase this line, and erase this line. Then go to zoom previous. So this is how you will be able to solve this problem, and this is same as the problem what we have solved here. So this is how you will be able to execute this. So thank you.